Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today our topic is about 6th class Hindi translate to English. Lesson name is Garam Jamun. Meaning of garam is hot. Hot means like we will see hot means like it will be very much hot and cold objects will be there. It involves heat. Next jamun. Jamun means grapes. Jamun will be two types. One will be purple color and one will be green color. This jamun is a purple color one. Jamun means what? Jamun means grapes. Grapes we will normally eat a green color one. Now we will go to the lesson. राजेंद्रन बहुत पढ़ा लिखा था, बड़ी अच्छी कविताएं लिखता था। भगवान का दिया सब कुछ था उसके पास। भगवान के दया से आवाज भी अच्छी थी। जब वह अपने लिखे गीत और कविताएं गाता तो लोग मुग्ध हो जाते और दिल खोलकर उसकी प्रशंसा करने लगते थे। What in this first character is whom? Rajendran. Rajendran was one of the person. So he is the first person in our lesson. He is a Rajendran. So he was so much graduated and what he have all the things. Means he have so much money also and he have nice voice. Awaz means voice. Awaz means now I am speaking. This is also an example of awaz. Like my awaz is my voice. So awaz means voice. His voice was also nice. Now and what he will do means he will write poetry and lessons and he will sing that. So everyone liked him so much because of his voice and how he wrote the poems and how he will sing. By the way, all people will like him. So next, दूर दूर से उसे निमंत्रण आते थे। वह बड़े बड़े शहरों में जाता था और वहाँ हजारों की भीड़ में अपनी मधुर आवाज में कविताएं और गीत गाता तो लोग खूब तालियां बजाते। उसके गीतों और कविताओं की पुस्तकें भी छप चुकी थी। इससे उसे धन भी मिला और सम्मान भी। मीन्स व्हाट दे आर सेइंग मीन्स दूर दूर से निमंत्रण आते थे। मीन्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट प्लेसेस दे विल कॉल राजेंद्रन to sing a song or to play that. By writing that he got so much money and he was too much famous. What he said and what he wrote that was written in books and sold to people. So written in books and sold to people means everyone will read that and they will think, oh, this is the Rajendran, he wrote this book. Now everyone will call him, come Rajendran, sing here. They will call him. So next what happened? Now इससे उसे धीरे धीरे राजेंद्रन को अपने आप पर घमंड होने लगा। वह सीधे मुंह किसी से बात नहीं करता था। गांव से जिन लोगों ने उसे सिर आंखों पर बिठाया था वे सब उसे मूर्ख दिखने लगे थे। उनके बीच बैठना, उनसे बातचीत करना उसे अपनी शान के विरुद्ध लगने लगा था। Now what happened? Rajendran got money and respect also. Now he was thinking himself as a big politician and he was very nice. Now everyone will talk to him. He was a big celebrity. He was thinking himself as a big celebrity. And he was not talking to the people who are in his village. Gaon means village. Gaon means village. Some people will live in village. So he was also living in village only. So the people when they want to talk with him, he was not talking. He was thinking himself as a big celebrity and he was thinking that why I should talk with them? They are so much small people and I'm a celebrity. Why should I talk with them? He was thinking like that. And what happened next? उसे अगर अपने दूसरे लोगों से, गांव के लोगों से बात करने में अपने शान के विरुद्ध लगने लगा था। एक दिन सुबह राजेंद्रन सैर करके घर लौट रहा था। बरसात का मौसम था। बड़ी सुहानी पवन चल रही थी। आसमान पर बादल घिरने लगे थे। Now what happened? Rajendran was thinking that I should never talk with the people of village. Viruddha means against. Viruddha. The meaning of viruddha is against. Now he was thinking that why should I talk with that people? They are not nice also. Viruddha means against. He was not liking to talk with them. So he was thinking that he is the best person. So why should I talk with them? So they are small people. Why should I talk with them? He was thinking. And now what happened means one day morning, Rajendran was going for walk. Then he saw that Pavan. Pavan means what? Pavan means air. Pavan means air. Pavan means air. So he was going for walk. Then he saw that the Pavan air was coming nicely and the weather was too cool. So now what happened? राजेंद्रन चल रहा था और उसके मन में एक विचार आया कि उसे इन पवन के खुशी में एक कविता लिखनी चाहिए। वह उसी के शब्दों को जोड़ता बुनता चला जा रहा था। So now what happened? When the Pavan air was coming nicely, he was thinking that now Pavan is coming now, means air is coming now. I'll write one poetry, means so that he will become more famous. So he was thinking to write an poetry. What he did means next he was taking the words to make the poem. So next what happened we'll see. अचानक उसकी नाक से रसीले जामुनों की महक टकराई। उसने देखा सामने जामुन का एक बड़ा सा पेड़ था। वह कुछ बच्चे उस पेड़ पर चढ़कर जामुन तोड़ कर खा रहे थे। बच्चों को ताजे रसीले जामुन खाते देखकर राजेंद्रन के मुंह में पानी आ गया। So now what happened? Means Rajendran was going for a walk and he was thinking how to make that poem and he was taking words. Now what happened? Rajendran's nose got the smell. Nose got the smell of what? Jamun. Jamun means grapes. Jamun's smell he got. Means grapes smell he was getting into his nose. Naak means nose. Naak means nose. So that with naak we smell. With our nose we smell. So he got the smell of what? He got the smell of grapes. So what happened? Then he saw at other place there were some children on the tree. They were climbing, means they were sitting on the tree and they were taking that jamun, means grapes, and eating. So he thought, oh, they are eating. I also want to eat that. Then he got that thought in his mind. Rasile, that jamuns were rasile. Rasile means so much of waterful. Means that is waterful means not all waterful. It was sweet waterful. When we'll get to that rasile jamun, if they are so much waterful like that, so we'll get to eat that. Rasile means waterful. Now what happened? He was thinking, I want to eat that. That small children are eating. Now I also should eat that jamun. He thought jamun means grapes. Now what happened? बच्चों ने राजेंद्रन को इस तरह प्यार से बात करते हुए अपने आप से बात करते हुए देखा। तो एक बच्चे ने पूछा, क्या हुआ राजेंद्रन सर, आप ऐसे अपने आप से क्या बात कर रहे हो? तो राजेंद्रन ने बोला, प्यारे साथियों, मुझे भी तो जामुन खिलाओ ना। बच्चों ने राजेंद्रन को इस तरह प्यार से बात करते देखो तो उन्हें कुछ हैरानी हुई। So now what happened? Rajendran was like this talking with himself. So one of the child saw him and he was asking, Rajendran sir, why are you talking to yourself? Why are you talking to yourself? And what are you talking? Means what the Rajendran's reply was, he was saying that good children, you are good na, so give me some grapes from the tree. So he asked, give me some grapes. Give me some grapes. That child was thinking, oh, why he is asking? Rajendran sir is seeing to us and asking grapes. So now what happened? उन्होंने एक दूसरे की तरफ देखा। उनमें शिवम नाम का एक लड़का बड़ा होशियार था। वह बोला, भैया कैसे जामुन खाओगे, ठंडे या गरम? So now our second character enters. Second character name is Shivam. Shivam was one of the boys sitting on the tree and seeing that how the Rajendran is talking with him. He is the second character. His name is Shivam. So what he asked, how much quantity of jamun you want to eat? How much quantity of jamun you want to eat, and which type of jamun you want to eat? Which type of jamun means thande ya garam. Thande means cool. So we will in summer season we will eat all thande things only. Thande means cool. Thande things means which are cool. In a summer we prefer to eat or drink cool things only. Next, garam. Garam means hot. Garam means hot. So now what happened? In this lesson, what we are talking about is garam jamun. Garam means hot jamun. So now what happened? He asked, do you want to eat thande jamun or garam jamun? Hot jamun or cool jamun? So what he replied, we'll see. अरे भाई, मैं गुलाब जामुन की नहीं, जामुन खिलाने की बात कर रहा हूँ. राजेंद्रन बोला, भैया मैं भी जामुनों के ही बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. ठंडे खाओगे या गरम? शिवम ने अपनी बात पर जोर देकर कहा. Now what Rajendran said, oh boy, I am talking about jamun, not gulab jamun. Gulab jamun is one of the kind of sweet. So he is saying, I am not asking about gulab jamun. Why are you saying cool or hot? Means that boy is saying, no, I am also talking about grapes only. Grapes will be two types, hot and cold. And Shivam said this loudly. So next what happened? राजेंद्र गुस्से से बोला, भला जामुन भी कहीं गरम होते हैं? हटो, मजाक मत करो और मेरे लिए थोड़े जामुन तोड़ दो. Means now what happened? Rajendran was saying that don't do jokes with me. Mazak means joke. Mazak, every time we'll not do mazak, right? So he was asking, why are you doing mazak with me? Why you are saying that it will be cool or hot? Mazak means joke. So he was doing jokes. He was thinking. Rajendran was thinking that Shivam was doing jokes, but Shivam also said that no, I am not playing jokes. So and Rajendran गुस्से से बोला. गुस्से से means angry. गुस्सा means angry. Easily we should not get angry. Gussa means angriness. So Rajendran was getting angry on Shivam. Why? Because he was not giving him jamun, means grapes, and he was saying that it will be two types, hot and cool. Now what happened? We'll see. शिवम बोला, श्रीमान जी आप तो इतने बड़े विद्वान हैं, सभी लोग आपको इतना मानते हैं, आप देश भर में घूमे फिरे हैं, आपको नहीं पता कि जामुन दो तरह के होते हैं, ठंडे और गरम? पहले आप बताइए आपको कैसे जामुन चाहिए, ठंडे या गरम, तभी तो मैं आपको जामुन दे सकता हूँ. नाउ शिवम सेड दैट, ओ सर यू आर दिस मच बिग पोएट. विद्वान मीन्स पोएट. He was Vidwan. He was poet because at starting of the lesson we said that he is a Vidwan. Every time he'll write poems and poets. He is a poet. So Shivam was asking that, Rajendran sir, you're this much big poet. You don't know that grapes will be two types. One will be hot and one will be cool. Don't you know that? And if you not say me, you want a hot jamun or cold jamun. So how can I give you the jamun? So now next what happened? राजेंद्रन की समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या कहे. उसने तभी सुना भी नहीं था कि जामुन ठंडे भी होते हैं और गरम भी. हैरानी की बात है यह थी कि ठंडे और गरम जामुन एक ही पेड़ पर लगते हैं. राजेंद्रन इस बारे में सोच ही रहा था कि पेड़ पर बैठा शिवम बोला, श्रीमान जी जल्दी बताइए जामुन ठंडे खाएंगे या गरम? Now Rajendran was thinking that, अरे why he is asking every time why you want cool or hot? Why he is asking? And he was thinking, jamun grapes will be also hot and cool. He was thinking that. So now what happened? And one more thing he was thinking was that in one tree how can cool jamun and garam jamun, cool grapes and hot grapes, how can they grow on one tree only? He was thinking that. Till that time he was thinking, Shivam said that, oh sir, please say me, I will give you hot or cool jamun if you ask me. Now what happened? Rajendran बोला, बेटा ठंडे जामुन तो हमेशा ही खाता हूँ आज तुम मुझे गरम जामुन ही खिलाओ, मैं तुम्हें याद रखूंगा। Now Rajendran said that, beta means kid, give me hot jamun only, because every time I ate cool jamun only, so now you give me hot grapes. Means he said okay, Shivam said okay, I will give you hot jamun. Next we will see what happened. कवि राजेंद्रन की इच्छा जानकर जामुन के पेड़ पर बैठे शिवम ने एक डाली को जोर से हिलाया। पके पके ढेर सारे जामुन जमीन पर गिर गए। जमीन पर रेत पड़ी थी, जामुनों पर रेत के कण चिपक गए। Now what happened? Rajendran was asking to give hot jamun. Rajendran's ichha, wish. Ichha means wish. Ichha, we will have one wish to fulfill. Rajendran's wish was to give a hot jamun. Ichha, wish. So he asked Shivam, give me hot jamun. So he was saying that I will remember you if you give me hot jamun. So next what happened? He asked, give me some hot jamun. So what Shivam did? He pushed the tree. So all jamuns, all grapes fall down. So on that, if they fall down, down will be some soil, sand type. So what happened? It will attach to that grapes. So next what happened? It was attaching to that grapes. So it fall down. So all the bunch of grapes fall down. So next the all sand was sticking on that. So next what happened? We'll see. राजेंद्र ने जामुन उठा लिया और उन पर लगी रेत को हटाने के लिए फूंक फूंक कर खाने लगा। उसे ऐसा करते देखकर शिवम बोला, क्यों श्रीमान जी, जामुन गरम है ना? So next what happened? If the sand was sticked, Rajendran could not eat with sand. What he did for removing sand? He was doing like this. He was blowing air from his mouth to remove that sand from his jamun. So next what happened? He was doing like that. Means Shivam asked, sir, how was your jamun? It is so much hot now, he was asking. So next what Rajendran replied, we'll see. शिवम हैरानी से मुंह बनाकर बोला, अरे श्रीमान, कहिए मुझे, जामुन गरम है ना? राजेंद्रन को शिवम की बात सुनकर हैरानी भी हुई और गुस्सा भी आया। वह बोला, क्या बात करते हो, जामुन तो ठंडे हैं। What happened? Shivam asked again and again, same, jamun are hot or not? He was asking. Means Rajendran was thinking, oh, he was shocked also and he was angry also. Gussa means angry. Gussa means angriness. He was shocked and angry also. Why this kid is every time saying this is hot. But that was not cool. That means that was not hot. So he said, this is not hot grapes. This is a cold grapes. How are you saying it is hot? Means next Shivam said, शिवम हैरानी से मुंह बनाकर बोला, क्या कह रहे हो? हाँ, सचमुच ठंडे हैं, मैं झूठ थोड़ी ना कह रहा हूँ, said by Rajendran. So now what happened? Shivam said that, no, that will be hot only. I gave you the hot jamun only. Means that Rajendran said, no, why I will say lies? It is cool. It is cool. It is cool. He was shouting like that and saying, why I will say lies? Means Shivam said, no, I gave you the hot branch of grapes only. Next, अगर ये जामुन ठंडे हैं तो फिर आप फूंक फूंक कर क्यों खा रहे हैं? इस तरह से तो गर्म चीजें ही खाई जाती हैं। So next what happened? Rajendran was saying that it was not hot. It was cool. The grapes was cool. So Shivam said that, no, you are saying lies, because if a grapes is hot, you will blow air for cooling that. Like this you will do. But now he was blowing air. Means it is cool or hot? It is hot. So Shivam was saying that, no, it is hot. You are saying lies. If it will be cool, you will eat like that. But if it is hot, if it will be hot, you will blow air now. Now you are blowing air. Means it is hot. Next what happened? अब राजेंद्रन को शिवम की बात का रहस्य समझ आया। वह बड़ा शर्मिंदा हुआ। वह अपने आप को बड़ा विद्वान समझता था, लेकिन एक छोटे से बच्चे की बुद्धि ने उसे मात दे दी। Now, what happened? Rajendran got why Shivam was saying it was hot, and he was saying that, oh, this boy have more mind than me. I am a poet. I thought I was a big poet. So now this small boy destroyed my cruelness, and he thought that, oh, I am not a big celebrity like that. The small boy so the small boy gave me instructions how should I be. So now next what happened means, घमंड करना अच्छी बात नहीं है। रूप गुण या कला भगवान के देने से है, इसके लिए भगवान का धन्यवाद ही करना चाहिए। राजेंद्रन गुणी था और विद्वान भी था, लेकिन घमंडी था। सारी बुद्धिमानी बच्चों के सामने की धरी रह गई। नाउ what we got moral from this is, we must not be anytime we should not think ourselves only big, and we should not think others as small. We should be confident, but we should not think others as small. Because we got this moral from Rajendran that we should not think ourselves as big. He was thinking that he was a poet and he was so much big celebrity like that he was thinking. But small children have given him break his cruelty. So every time you should be confident but not overconfidence. Thank you. Jazakallahu khaira. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.